Hello there and welcome back. Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Today we're going to talk about how to use your intuition to change your life. The power of intuition. Now let's reframe this with some word that we might be more familiar with. Your gut feeling. You know, when you have this intuition or this gut feeling that, oh, maybe I shouldn't be doing this, or, oh, this is appealing to me. That's your gut feeling. That's your intuition speaking to you. And you know what? We all have it. But it's like a muscle. Unless we exercise it, it doesn't grow and does not serve us. I give you an example many years ago. This was interesting. And it might not be to that extent in your life, but at one point, I'm looking at this guy on the internet and he has this marketing that's supposed to be like really fantastic. And so I'm excited about it. I tell my wife, come and see this guy. And she just comes and takes a look, and it's online, at the picture. She goes, I don't trust this guy. And she leaves. I go, where are you going? She goes, I have a gut feeling about this. It's not good. I said, well, I can't believe it. I was sort of fighting it. Then I says, oh, okay, I'll let it go. Guess what? 2 weeks later, that guy was in jail for fraud. What? So what I'm doing with this example, which is, it's true, by the way, but is very like bang, is the fact that I want to impress upon you that your intuition can change your life. It is a power that you have within you, but you need to develop it. And now to develop it, just pay attention. And so look at things or people that you feel good with, and you're going to understand those feelings that you have. So these are the good ones. People that you don't have good feelings with, that's going to tell you how you act or react when your intuition is not good. And then you're going to be able to calibrate this into applications. It's not a science, it's more of an art. Because if it was science, it'd be math. Boom, boom, 1 + 1 = 2. That's not the case. But I'm telling you, as you practice this, it will change your life with more ease and flow. And that's a key words right there, ease and flow. Your intuition will tell you, yes, that's good. Follow it, but follow it 100%. Because if you go into something, oh, that sounds good, and then you just give it 5% of effort, and you say, well, that didn't work. Well, guess what? That's on you. You didn't go all out. But also, if you feel something is not good, well, slam the brakes. Don't do it. If your intuition says not to do it, don't. And you're going to calibrate yourself, and your intuition is now going to start to change your life and give direction in your life that you otherwise would not have access to. So there you have it. The power of intuition. It can change your life. Use it or lose it. But the more you use it, the better it is and serves you. So, if you haven't already done so, it's time to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you can be notified every time one of those videos comes out. And gives it a thumbs up and share with others so they too can have the benefit of transforming their lives. And guess what? Try this now with your gut feeling or your intuition. Who should I share this video with? And you already started to exercise it. You got this. I believe in you. And until next time, make it a great day.